babes, wives, booze, kilo day. You are still allowing your husband to be calling slight chick up and down. They don't tell me. So some of you know they bath, or you know they bath at the right time. What's your problem? I understand. Say you're not used to having your booze up and down in the house, but now I beg, no they bath small. You understand? shine baby now. They say I can't tell you all those your spider webs with the under. You understand? The other one, beg help us evacuate small. You come buy laughing down. We go dey spray for body. You know to come, you know buy the designer. In fact, designer shops they don't close now. So just buy the imitation. You know, spray. You can't tell me if your husband don't go think. You love me,